Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world. We have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be going over the double shirt grab, and it looks like this. Hiya! 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 So make sure you have a partner to work out with, you have lots of room to train, and you're ready to get started. To learn this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, you're going to do a kick to the groin. Hiya! Number 2, you're going to put your hands together and push upward and out, breaking the arms away. Number 3, you're going to grab the head. Number 4, you're going to bring your back knee up to do a knee strike. And number 5, you're going to do a double palm strike, hitting the shoulders, knocking them over. Make sure it's you're not pushing, but it's a double palm strike. All right, let's do it again. Number 1 is a kick to the groin. Hiya! Number 2, your hands go together and they go up and out. Number 3, grab the head. Number 4 is a knee strike. Hiya! And number 5, double palm strike. Pow! All right, one more time. 1, hiya! 2, 3, 4, 5. This time it's Sensei Conover's turn. Ready? Number 1, kick to the groin.
Hiya!
Number 2, your hands go together and up and out. Number 3 is going to grab the head. Number 4 is a knee strike.
Hiya!
And number 5 is a double palm strike. Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what we'll be doing on the next lesson, which is a double arm grab from behind. Hiya! 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 Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that can also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.